Hi all. So today is 8th of August 2021 and uh, it's a very volatile week and a very volatile month is going to be. So we have started a channel where we are providing our views and you guys can see that views and even ask queries on that if you have some, and do not jump into trade because every trade is just an opinion. It works out, it doesn't works out. It's a matter of time, price action and volume. So views are important and directions are important, and a whole macro view is important as well, along with the real weighted stock things. So we have I have 8 years of experience in the market. Um, so there are a lot of things that we have developed that tell us a lot about how the open interest is changing in option chain and things like that we have developed on our own as per our own understanding and what data we needed from that with respect to some deltas. And post that we also have some there are a lot of things that you will understand once you come to the channel. So this is mostly for the view. So let's see what's the view for bank nifty for the coming week. So bank nifty future. So let's see. So in the end there was a lot of volume, but not up to the mark, can be a bull trap very easily. But HDFC Bank is strong. So let's see, ICICI Bank can go weak anytime. It is behind some supports, which is not good. IndusInd Bank closed very nicely, so I have carried IndusInd Bank at a very high risk but very low capital. So this is just around 15,000-16,000 of a trade. So let's see how it turns out on Monday. Okay. So IndusInd Bank is currently at 1030. I'm expecting it to go to 107080 levels at least. So let's see. So let's check how the OI chain is. So the OI chain at the end of the day was telling that there was a lot of call writing that happened at 36,000 call, right, for the weekly. So here 26,000 contracts went ahead to add more than 36,000 call. And in put there is no substantial put writing, and overall also if you see there are 4.5 lakhs put contracts total, and in the call side it's 5.45. So it already favors the put side. But let's check more also. The end of day data is really bad for the bullish market, because there are a lot of chances of things falling down. At least nifty has chances of falling down, although the OI chain doesn't show anything like that. There are 6.3 lakh call contracts and 6.95 put contracts. So there is but Reliance has some negative connotation related to it. So let's check on that, how it opens on Monday. And at 16,300, if we see at the end of the day, the put writers ran away. So let's check. The put riders ran away, so the put prices are gonna increase. So let's check. The market seems to fall on Monday a little, or maybe a major bottom can be found on Nifty. But for Bank Nifty, I'm a little bullish because of HDFC Bank. Once that comes below 1470 levels, 1450 levels, if it comes below 1450, then we are going the last low of Nifty for sure. Within the coming week or 2 weeks at max, we will be there. If Nifty breaks 16,190, then 16,032 if it breaks, and maybe it will break it overnight only. Most 110% I'm sure that it will break the major range overnight only. So in here, the last bottom, if we can check, is this thing. See, a major drag down, but it was followed up. Okay. So if we check, this is 15250 levels. I don't think it went till there. So the spot went to right. So the spot went to 15,513 to be exact. So 15,513 on spot can be easily broken once things start to fall down, and it will be a major gap down around 1.52% at least. So whenever it comes, else if the data turns bullish, we'll let you know in everyday video. So let's check how things go on Monday. So 30 for Bank Nifty, the major eye spotting level is it's not continuous futures, so let's see here. So yeah, 35,940 spot is very much on my head for at least 2-3 days. So once this 940 spot is protected, yes, this 35,940 spot is protected. तब तक we are तब तक तो we are very bearish till 35,940 is protected. Once 35,940 is crossed, there is no second chance that it will not come to 36,400. So once 35,940 950 levels get crossed, it will easily go to 36,400. So that's a 400 point move to take advantage of. On the bottom side, if it doesn't sustain, there are easy possibility of it coming down to at least 35 easily here, 35 150 levels very easily. So let's check how it goes on Monday, and if things change, we'll update as it goes.